Welcome this video. Restrict gardening bed in greenhouse. A complete gas gardening have long been a hobby. For me, often a space for relax, create, and the protected of health food. As more people see centrability and affect away to gardening plants rule here the convenience of rustic gardening bed and greenhouse have become increasingly popular when those to connect and convenience then create an powerful interior for plants growing allow gardening to address the growing season salt and edge remarkable we relax little space we explore various deep into everything you need to know about use a rustic gardening bed inside of greenhouse. A bed and material select two best plants and main interest there. When convenient rustic gardening bed with a gardening house before explored the space its importance to understanding when that complement is so affected temperature controlling greenhouse protective plants for cold wind well rustic bed often important and warm the salt in rustic bed health up fast in the much mean you can plant easy. Better sound quality you have complement over the speed controlling our plants pro need easy to of man interesting gardening. The need of base and salt make gardening access to more popular. Controlling convenient greenhouse wall with the height of the rustic gardening bed mean idea growing convenient after load of fast growing and large hub together then create a unique under rule of fast year rule gardening successful. Design a rustic bed for your greenhouse When plants your district gardening when those are success faster to convenient, simple size and layout. The size of the bed depends long of the district house. Here are some basic guidelines. How to build a rustic gardening bed in a greenhouse. Here a step-by-step overview. Mask and use material type and challenge to sticky or make the layout consider your gardening house. Process the gardening. Launch the gardening when the bed well sown. Some gardening pull is layout of hardway close to landscape underwarm the during weather browning pull. Wind. This not wind and 4 feet. It access for the bedside 2 and 3 feet is access for one side only. This you can complement reach the much oversized step into the bed. Long as the long of space Pro Max height type benefit 12 to 14 inch pace little add 83 to 84 benefit bed the easy access wind out the design before build effect used to the gardening house space. Material. Rustic bed can be used for various material wood, climax and redwood or natural root, rustic, long, usable. It is soft and food protective. Bed are during and modern long but mean hard up. Tall mean in very height climax. Platin. Long lasted make for recycled material. Beautiful and had experience. Choose material that are green out of it can create harm. Consist. Thank you for watching this video.